Hello, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can fix Freecash not working. Now this is a very common problem with Freecash. Now you have to know exactly why it's not working. Isn't it tracking, isn't Freecash tracking your rewards? It's not tracking what the earnings. For example, when you complete a game you don't see any earnings. It's not trackable now, or it's not working for different reasons. Now I'm going to be showing you multiple ways on how you can fix the problems that are related to your Freecash account. Okay, the first, if your progress is not tracked, okay, you don't see your earnings after you complete the offers, what you want to do is to check your cookies. Now for example, if you are using phone, make sure you update the app to the latest version. Just go to App Store or Play Store and then search for Freecash and make sure to check if there is an update there or not. If there is an update, make sure you update it to the latest version, and make sure you are not using any VPN inside your PC or laptop, phone, iPhone, Android. Make sure you are not using any VPN, because that stops the for example, it will not add anything you do on your Freecash will not be added to your balance inside your Freecash. So just make sure you don't use any VPN inside your device. So another way is to use local Wi-Fi. Just use your own Wi-Fi you used to use, because they just for example, sometimes when they notice unusual activity, they limit your account and the progress is not even if you complete the offers, will not be added into your balance on Freecash. Now what you need to do is to click on the notifications button in the top right to check if there are any notifications from Freecash. For example, sometimes you want to verify your ID or something like that. If you don't see any notifications and still your offers are not added or your progress is not being updated on your Freecash, here is what you need to do. You want to scroll down, then click on contact. You want to contact them directly, okay, so that they can solve your problem. Okay, it says here, what can we help with? Select the subject here and then enter your name, everything here. Okay, but you need to go back. Okay, just go back, and then you want to click here, okay, at the very bottom right, click on this. Sorry, I'm going to go back. Click on this icon here, the message icon. Click on it. Okay, after you are here, you want to click on messages and then click on send a message. Now you will be able to talk to a robot right now, and then you will get you to a real agent who is going to help you and check your Freecash account and see exactly what's wrong, and then they will explain to you how to solve it. Okay, for example, I need help with an offer, and they will reply to you, and then they will tell you what problem you have. For example, then click on for example, give them the reason here, and then they will talk to you messages, and then you can explain your problem. Okay, they will check, like I said, your Freecash and tell you exactly what to do. But if you don't want to contact them, let me know exactly what problem you have with your Freecash in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Just let me know what problem you have exactly, and make sure you drop a like on this tutorial, and see you in the next tutorial.